Good morning, guys. Today is currently Saturday when I'm making this video, and this is how a day in the life of a forex trader, a future billionaire as well. So, this is my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is a channel I'm going to use to document my trades, from how I'm going to go from 0 to a million in funding. When we say million, $1 million in funding. So yeah, I just woke up, and the first thing I did, I took my laptop and started analyzing the charts. And then I need to go do some activities, so I closed down the laptop. I fold up my mosquito nets, and as well arrange myself so I could get ready for the day, because I need to do some chores in the house as a last born. Yeah, I need to do some chores so that my parents won't see a reason to complain about one or two things. And then carried my phone, started checking if I have any message or any call. Push-ups I did. Yeah, it's a funny thing. I was going to do 20 push-ups, but then I did 30. So make sure you count to see if they are complete. Good morning, guys. So we're literally gonna go out and perform some new activities. You know what time it is. It's already 7, and my dad will be waiting for me out there, to get some items ready so he could use. So it's already 7:23. So let's go. So we're heading out to the compound or my dad's place. Yeah, in a few minutes we'll be there. But this is where I live. Yeah, that's my room door, and there's a river. These are bottles. So let's head over to where I literally will be, doing my shows, all this shit feels, So here we are heading to where I'll, wash my plates. The plates I used in eating yesterday, and also, fresh water as well. These are the dirty plates, and I need to fetch water as well. These are the rubbers I'll fetch, 1, 2, and also I need to sweep the ground as well. And I forgot to mention that rubber as well. I need to fetch it, and then this one too, I need to fetch it as well. So let's go inside, and but then I still have a card they give to me to fetch water yesterday, so I'm gonna use it. So before I start, I drank water, to get strength before going out to fetch water, because it's gonna be a long day, and man needs strength. So I drank water, I threw it away, went out to fetch water, to wash the plates first of all. So join me as we go and fetch this water. Yeah, feels good, feels good. Today I'm fetching water, walking distance to go and fetch water, to come and wash plates. But I know that tomorrow, this is just day 1. So when I got to the well, I saw some kids fetching water, so I had to bring out my other phone and just go through some daily texts, just to make sure that it's part of my routine. I go through this to know, at least as a Christian, I need to read now. I need to read Bible as well. Then they gave me the rubber, but then I'm going to stop the vlogging. So I finished fetching the water, and I'm gonna head back to where I'm gonna wash the plate. That's the house. I'm heading back to the house. Yeah, even the foul self they run from me, they say, ah, omo, the way you go, you stay blue, eh. So these are the plates I'm washing, oh, omo. They're not plenty, sha. We don't get plenty plate for us. We don't have enough plates in the house, so it's not much. Let's go and throw away water. Then that's the river. Did you see the river? Did you see the bottles? Yeah. So let's wash the plate, oh, plate. Let's wash plates. So watch me as I wash plates. It's gonna take a little much longer, but here is the thing: the next week challenge, I'm still gonna do it, but then I'm still working on my strategy right now on how I'm going to, strategize. There are a lot of ways to strategize to be profitable. It's not just to, just make videos here. Just put in hard work and you're going to see that you'll make it in trading. Yeah, some time ago when I got funded, that was a year ago. I didn't put in hard work. After blowing the account, in fact, I just rested. I stopped trading. And even if I trade to blow. And here we come again. We're doing this shit, real shit. We're doing it again. So I washed my plates, I had to rinse them, and then, I rinse the plates, rinse the pots very well. So rinse the sponge as well, and then, make sure everything looks good and sparkling. So let's go inside the room, the kitchen, and drop them. Yeah, drop them, and then let's head back to the room so we could make some plans. So I picked up my power bank, picked up my phone, and here we go again. Yeah, brought out my key, opened my door. My door doesn't even have an in-lock. It has. Guys, I'm back to the room, and today is Saturday and there are a lot of activities, and my dad is also going out. So let's look at the activities we have today. Like I said before, I have clothes to wash. These are clothes to wash, and since I'm going back to school, I need to take my TV, my laptop, my table, and also my generator and my fan, plus my bag and my clothes out of this room because it's cold. You can see it here. It's very cold, so I need to take all these things out of this room before I could literally go. But first I'm going to wash my clothes, and since my phone's batteries are down, I need to go charge them so I could vlog in the evening and then use it tomorrow in the church. So let's go. So right now I'm on my way to go and charge the power bank. I've charged it and I took my dad's power. So guys, I'm about to start washing my clothes, and the weather is bad, very bad. Like, it's raining right now. You can see it's dropping. So let's go to the room. Let's head back to the room and look out for some good things to do and wait for the rain to stop. Then we'll come back and wash our clothes. I've already removed the clothes so they won't get wet, but I'm gonna leave them on that one. But then I had to go and cut my hair, change my hairstyle since it's butchy, and I'm going to the hostel tomorrow. So see how ugly I look. But here we're looking fresh, even though the money is not yet out. We've not made the money, but we're looking fresh, So now we're going back to the house. Yeah, that's me. We're going back to the house. It's a very long journey. It's about a mile away. So now I'm in the house and I'm about to, and I've washed the clothes because when I was going to plug the phone, I didn't pick up any other, like I didn't have any phone to vlog with. So I plugged the phone. I've washed the clothes, I've had my bath, and you might be wondering, bro, you've not shown us where you were eating. Yeah, I've had my breakfast and dinner. So we're back home, and funny enough, we were able to accomplish everything that we planned for the day. Even did extra by going ahead to barb my hair. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for content like this. If you like content like this, and if you want to grow and if you want to succeed, you should like content like this. So make sure you give this video a like, and I know you would. Thanks for giving this video a like, and make sure you subscribe, guys. Before this year ends, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know with just one click I can get an addition of 1 subscriber, and you can do it. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye.